What if I told you that you could charge your Tesla 25 miles per day just by parking it in the sun? And what if I told you this isn't some futuristic concept, but something one engineer has already built and tested for over $200,000 of his own money? Today, I'm diving deep into the DART Solar project, the most ambitious DIY electric vehicle solar charging system ever created. This isn't just about slapping some solar panels on a roof rack. This is about reimagining how we think about electric vehicle charging, energy independence, and the future of transportation. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how this system works, why it could change everything about EV ownership, and whether this technology could actually make electric vehicles truly energy independent. Let's get into it. Meet the mastermind behind this project. Based in Los Angeles, this engineer didn't just dream about solar-powered EVs, he actually built one, and the numbers are staggering. We're looking at 10 square meters of solar surface area generating 2,000 watts of power. But here's where it gets really interesting. With new perovskite tandem solar cell technology that's being commercialized by companies like Oxford PV and LONGi, this same surface area could generate 3,000 watts. Oxford PV recently achieved a world record 26.9% efficiency with their perovskite tandem modules, while LONGi has pushed the boundaries even further with 34.85% efficiency in laboratory conditions. This means we're not just talking about today's capabilities. We're looking at a future where 30 to 60 miles of daily charging from solar alone becomes completely realistic. And here's the kicker. While these tests are happening in Los Angeles, places like Chile, Australia, and Ecuador could see even better performance, potentially adding 30 to 40% more range than what we're seeing here. Now let's get technical. This isn't your typical roof rack with some panels thrown on top. Every single component has been engineered from the ground up. The entire system uses custom aluminum extruded telescopic tubes with ball bearings. This allows the 2,000-watt system to deploy in just 20 seconds with one hand. Yes, one hand, because as the creator says, your other hand might be holding a baby. But deployment speed means nothing if the system isn't safe. This is where the engineering really shines. The solar panels are locked in place using both magnets and mechanical locks. These magnets are so strong that even if you hit the brakes from 100 miles per hour to 0 in under 2 seconds, the panels won't budge. Speaking of testing, they've stress tested this system to withstand winds up to 110 miles per hour. They literally added weights to test the telescopic tubes and found they can sustain 90 pounds of downward force before failing. But here's the genius part. If winds reach 40 miles per hour, the rear panels automatically detach on one side, preventing them from acting like sails. The entire system weighs about 150 pounds for the 2,000-watt version, staying just under Tesla's 165-pound roof weight limit for the Model Y. That's 40 pounds for the solar panels and about 110 pounds for the mechanical system. X 1.25-inch square tubes that are 1/8 inch thick, and they run over 20 different stress tests to ensure each component can handle 500 pounds of compression, tension, and shear forces. But this is just the beginning. The real game changer is perovskite technology. Traditional silicon solar cells max out around 22 to 26% efficiency, but perovskite tandem cells are already achieving over 34% efficiency in laboratory conditions. Oxford PV has commercialized panels reaching 26.9% efficiency, and LONGi recently set a world record at 34.85%. What does this mean for our solar EV charging system? The same 10 square meters that currently generate 2,000 watts could generate 3,000 watts by 2027. That translates to 36 miles of daily charging with current infrastructure, or potentially 48 miles with direct DC charging if automakers adapt their systems. In high solar regions like Chile's Atacama Desert, Australia's Outback, or Ecuador's Highlands, we could be looking at 60-plus miles of daily solar charging. Imagine never needing to plug in your car for daily commuting ever again. While this project started with Tesla, the vision is much bigger. The creator has received massive interest from van life enthusiasts, RV owners, and truck drivers. The system is being designed to work on any vehicle with a roof rack, opening up possibilities for delivery trucks, camping vehicles, and even emergency response vehicles. Think about disaster preparedness. A truck equipped with this system could provide 3,000 watts of power, enough to run an entire small home or apartment during emergencies. The system can deploy in winds up to 50 miles per hour, making it viable even in challenging conditions. Here's what makes this project special. They're releasing the blueprints as open source. Anyone will be able to build 3D print replacement parts or modify the design for their specific vehicle. This isn't about creating a monopoly, it's about democratizing solar EV technology. So, is this the future of electric vehicles? For daily commuters driving 30 to 50 miles per day, solar charging could eliminate the need for grid charging entirely. For longer trips, it could significantly extend range and reduce charging stops. While the initial investment is significant, the long-term implications are huge. Reduced dependence on charging infrastructure, lower electricity costs, and the ability to charge anywhere the sun shines. The creator has invested over $200,000 of his own money into this research, and the results speak for themselves. With 25 miles of daily charging available today and 37+ miles coming with perovskite technology, we're looking at a fundamental shift in how we think about EV ownership. What do you think? Is solar EV charging the future or just an expensive experiment? Let me know in the comments below, and if you want to follow this project, check out dartsolar.com for updates and blueprints. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more cutting-edge EV technology content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.